Hey Stampers, it's Debbie Mason with Stamp It with Debbie, and this month I have a really fun and beautiful class to go for you. This class to go features the Free as a Bird stamp set, the cling stamp set, along with the Stitch Nested Labels dies, and it is 6 projects that will be shipped directly to your mailbox. So you can put them together at your leisure. You can sit down and put them all together in one sitting, or you can do them as you feel comfortable doing them. So let's get started, and I'll show you the projects that are going to come in your kit. There are going to be 4 cards and 2 projects. So I'm just going to show you real quick. I tried to use a little bit of each of the papers so you could get a good feel for what the kit or the paper and the bundle was all about in the suite. That's card number 2. Here's card number 3, and this one is on Pool Party. Card number 4 is kind of a unique fold here. It opens this way and this way. Oops, my little note inside of the measurements, and it has a little vellum flower here. This one also has a coordinating envelope that you could put together so that the card just looks like it was meant to be. There are 2 other little 3D projects for a total of 6 projects all together. And this one is tied here with some of the white polka dot tulle. And then it has a little piece of the linen thread tying it. And if I can untie it, I can show you what's inside here. This is a little 3D treat holder, and well, I didn't think I was going to have so much trouble untying this. It's just tied in a little knot here. There we go. So there's a little Hershey chocolate bar inside, but you could really put any treat inside that you want. And there's a little doily here. So this is that project, and we could put that linen thread back there. And then the last project is this one here. And this is just tied on the side, and it has 2 little tea bag holder or tea bags inside. So you could send this to someone as a get well wish or just a thinking of you. So there are a couple different options for taking this class. Option 1 is going to include the stamp set, the framelit dies. You're going to get 2 4x6 pieces of each of the designer paper that comes in this set, and this is the designer paper. Just wanted to show you real quickly. So you're going to get 1 of each piece that's in there. They're double-sided pages, so 1 of each piece. And then you're also going to get a free spool of the white tulle polka dot ribbon. That's option 1. The cost for that class is $69. Option 2 is if you already have the stamp set and the framelit dies, then you can just get the tutorial, and you can get, so you wouldn't be getting those pieces, you'll get the tutorial and you'll get all of the card pieces cut to make these, and then you will also get all of the cardstock or the designer paper for that. The cost for that class is, you also will get the ribbon. You're going to get a pack of the tulle ribbon. The cost for this option is $31. Now there is one last option. If you already own the products and you want to cut all of your own paper pieces, then you can get the tutorial for just $15. Now, the first 2 options, option 1 and 2, because I'm sending you all the pieces, will also have shipping costs of $8 each. So the first one, again, is $69 plus $8 shipping unless you're local to me, and then you could go ahead and pick it up. And then the second option is $31 with $8 shipping. I have all the details over on my blog if you need more information. The address that you can find that at is stampitwithdebbie.blogspot.com. There isn't a link over there to email me if you're interested in registering for the class. Now, I do have some important dates for you. July 29th is going to be the deadline to sign up for this class, because I need to have a deadline to order all the products. Then they come to me and I prepare them all. I will ship them out no later than August 7th. Everything will be going out priority mail, unless of course you order the tutorial and then I would email it to you. Will be going priority mail, so it's 2 days shipping. If you have any questions at all, feel free to contact me. There, over on my blog, there is an email address you can contact me, but it's also, I'll just tell you, stampitwithdebbie@gmail.com. I hope that you enjoy this class, and I hope that you will sign up, and I look forward to seeing you in class. Thank you and have a great day.